Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the file and tools. Open the image at 100% so you see the actual blur. If you have RAW, use it. RAW retains more detail and latitude for adjustments. Once you know whether the blur is motion, focus, or general softness, pick an editor that offers both sharpening and deblurring controls. Make sure to work on a duplicate layer or virtual copy, so you can compare results without destroying the original. This preserves your fallback. Next, you apply targeted corrections based on what you found. For motion blur, try a deblur or shake reduction tool and match the blur angle and strength. Reduce artifacts by lowering amount. For soft focus, use local sharpening. Mask areas like eyes or text so only critical areas gain contrast. If global texture is needed, work with frequency separation or texture/clarity sliders to boost mid-frequency detail while avoiding haloing. Once done, toggle the edit to evaluate changes again. Finally, you refine and export. Preview at both 50% and 100% to judge perceived sharpness, and apply gentle global sharpening only after local work so you don't amplify noise. Export as TIFF or PNG for archival quality, or JPEG for web with moderate compression. If results look noisy or artifacted, reduce strength, apply selective denoise, or accept that some blur cannot be fully recovered. Stop and save incremental versions so you can revert. One key tip: if artifacts appear, lower the effect and try incremental passes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.